My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. I invite you to become relaxed and comfortable. Close your eyes and focus your attention on your breath, observing the breath and allowing it to relax your body. Breathing into the entire body system, and on each exhale, relaxing the body from the top of the head all the way down to the toes. As you relax in this beautiful state of relaxation, become aware of your root chakra at the base of the spine, which is represented by the color red. This chakra represents safety, security, and trust. Now imagine a lotus flower in this area, opening and radiating bright red light. As the light radiates, reflect on these words: I am safe, grounded, and stable. My roots run deep. Breathe in, breathe out. Now bring your attention to the sacral chakra, located just below the belly button. And this is represented by the color orange. This chakra is governed by sensuality, passion, and creativity. Now imagine a lotus flower in this area, opening and radiating bright orange light. As this light radiates, reflect on these words: I allow myself to experience pleasure. I accept all my feelings. My life is fun. Breathe in, breathe out. Now bring your attention to the solar plexus chakra, located in the power center around the upper abdomen and breastbone, represented by the color yellow. This chakra is governed by self-esteem, willpower, and confidence. Now imagine a lotus flower in this area, opening and radiating bright yellow like the sun. As this light radiates, reflect on these words: I am powerful beyond measure. I accept myself fully. Breathe in, breathe out. Now bring your attention to the heart chakra, located in the center of the chest. This chakra is represented by the color green. This chakra is governed by compassion, love, and forgiveness. Imagine a lotus flower in this area opening and radiating bright green color. As this light radiates, reflect on these words: I am loved by the universe. As I learn to love and accept myself, I also learn to accept others. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring your attention to the throat chakra, located in the center of the throat and is represented by the color bright blue. This chakra connects you to your ability to communicate and listen. Imagine a lotus flower in this area, opening and radiating bright blue light. As this light radiates, contemplate these words: my voice deserves to be heard. I listen with compassion. Breathe in, breathe out, bringing your attention to the third eye chakra, located in the center of the forehead and represented by the color indigo. This chakra is the source of insight, intuition, and imagination. Now imagine a lotus flower in this area, opening and glowing an indigo light. As this light radiates, mentally repeat these words: I am in touch with my inner guidance. I trust my intuition. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring your attention to the crown chakra, located at the top of the head and represented by the color deep violet. This chakra relates to spiritual growth, connection, and enlightenment. Imagine a lotus flower in this area, opening and radiating deep violet light. As this light radiates, reflect on these words: I am connected to the infinite wisdom of the universe. Breathe in, breathe out. Rest in this experience of opening the chakras right here, right now. As you gently come back into the room, slowly open your eyes and return your awareness to where you are here right now.